Beneath the silent riverbed, freshwater mussels lie buried. Their oval shells are flat, symmetrical, and coated in mossy periostracal. Each ridge tells a story. Growth rings mark passing seasons, tracing lifespans that can reach up to 20 years. Beneath the closed shell, a digging foot, dual siphons, and layered gills, an internal system built to filter and breathe. Freshwater mussels are more than mollusks. They are living filters, purifying up to 20 gallons of water per day, removing bacteria, algae, and excess nutrients. Without them, rivers would choke in their own pollution. Their shells build underwater cities, sanctuaries for crayfish, snails, small fish, and aquatic insects. When mussels vanish, these homes collapse, triggering a cascade of extinctions. By enriching sediments and feeding others, mussels sustain aquatic food webs, from microbes to mammals. Their disappearance would unravel this delicate balance, from algae to otters. As bioindicators, mussels store pollution data in their tissue. They tell us when rivers are dying, long before we notice. If they go, we lose nature's warning system. More than 70% of native mussel species are now threatened. Habitat loss, pollution, and invasive species push them toward extinction. Once gone, recovery may take centuries or never. When freshwater mussels disappear, rivers turn toxic. Fish populations collapse. Water becomes too costly to clean. What dies with them is not just a species. It's the balance of life lost. They ask for nothing. Yet with every breath, they give us clean water, living rivers, and time. In their silence, they remind us what still can be saved.